Welcome to my channel. So my name is Kimmy K. So let's go ahead and get into this wig review. So this wig was sent to me from Hurela-Hair. In your box you do have the goodies. You have the lace band, the bonnet, eyelashes, and then they do give you this little makeup brush, and then there is a headband. So this is going to be the unit. It's going to be a 13 by 4 lace front wig. It is the reddish brown color. It is 24 inches and it does have a natural density. So that is what it looks like. It is a Jerry curly unit, which is so freaking pretty. So on the inside you do have you have two combs on top, one comb on the back with adjustable straps, and then they also do give you adjustable bands so that you don't have to wear this unit down. You can have it glueless. So the lace is going to be a transparent light brown lace. So when I initially put this unit on, I was like, oh my god, it is so freaking flawless. The hairline is everything. So looking at the hairline, it looks so freaking pretty. It looks like you dyed your hair color and got it like that. The front is pre-plucked. You do have the baby hairs that you can use if you want to. It does fit from ear to ear. I did have the band a little bit too tight, so you will see like me tugging on the sides. Just adjust it because it is adjustable, but you can wear this unit glueless if you want to. So I'm going in with my Ruby Kisses 3D creator to tint the bottom of the lace. The lace looks good. It's just a little bit on the light color side, so you do want to go in with like your powder, foundation, or whatever, just to go ahead and tint your lace. So girl, when I tell you this lace is so freaking fire, like once you use like your glue, gel, whatever you got to put down on this unit, it looks so good. Like, look at how it looks on the scalp. Freaking love it. And that's not even glued down. You see how I'm tugging on the sides? That's what I mean. I had the wig band a little bit too tight, so my sides was coming up. But other than that, I wouldn't have to glue this unit down. So now I am going to be using my Eben lace spray just to go ahead and spray the unit down. With this lace spray, I'm still debating on if I like it or not, because it does leave like a it's messy. I don't know, it's kind of messy, and I don't feel like my got to be glued does that, so I'm not sure if I really like it or not. But I'm just gonna go ahead and use this, spray the wig down, and then I'm gonna just blow dry just a little bit, because I didn't want the wig to be too sticky, because with this Eben, it's really sticky. And then I'm gonna go ahead and tie down my scarf, and voila, like baby. So I'm gonna take some makeup remover and clean up their hairline. Like I said, that Eben is really messy, and then I'm just gonna brush out the sides that I left out. That's the only thing about that Eben. It's like, I don't know, it's like real flaky, and I don't be feeling like my got to be glued does that to me. But it's really easy to clean up. I'm using the Micheller. Is that how you say it? Michael or Micheller, however you say it. I'm using that to clean up the lace. It's a makeup remover, and it looks pretty good after you do that, so I can't complain. After that, now I'm going to go ahead and cut the sideburns, and then I'm going to cut the baby hairs in the front as well. With this unit, since like the hairline is like freaking flawless, like it's so freaking flawless, even with the lace and everything, it looks so good. So I just wanted to have like a natural hairline overall. So with this unit, I did leave baby hairs on top, but I wanted them to be very thin and wispy, you know, almost like this is like my hair, and that's what I was trying to go with the baby hairs. Because y'all know, if y'all follow my channel, on colored units, I don't particularly care for baby hairs on the front, but with it being a curly unit, I love baby hairs on a curly unit. It just looks so pretty. But like I said, with this unit, I wanted to have more of a natural kind of curl to it, because even then, I'm just going to be doing a flip over method. I'm not going to be putting a part in this wig whatsoever, because even with my hair, I like to do like a flip over versus putting parts in it because I just feel like it looks so pretty and natural. And especially since we are in fall and it's getting cold, like the flip over just looks so freaking pretty, especially when you have like full hair. And then this unit right here is so freaking full. Okay, so I'm just taking the Got to Be Glue freezing spray, and then I did use some cheap gel because I don't have any mousse, and I'm just trying to lay the baby hairs down. I'm not trying to have them slick down on my head, just trying to mold them. So after I do that, I did put that lace wrap back on, and then I'm gonna go in and just finger comb these curls. I'm not putting any water or mousse in the curls because I love how full and thick it looks. Like I said, I want it to be natural. That's how much hair I did have come out when I was finger combing through it. Make sure when you get your unit, you do wash it prior to installing this unit. It is colored and you are going to have some shedding. That's just what it is when it comes to colored units. You are going to have some shed, and then also it's a curly unit as well. So don't be scared, girl, if you have any hair coming out. Pre-wash it and you should be okay and get all that excess hair out. So that's what my baby hairs look like. Like I said, they are not stuck down. I just kind of molded them. So now I'm just brushing them to just make sure they're not stuck to my head and they are giving like very wispy, flowy. And that's it for this unit. Like, this unit was so freaking easy to do because it's like the hairline is everything. Hairline is everything. It has an average cap. I didn't get tangling, and I did have some shedding, but that was about it for this unit. And like I said, I just did the flip over method with this unit. So it is going to be $219.91 on their site. They do have a coupon code, and I will have one in the description box down below. Overall, this is a gorgeous unit. I freaking love it. I will leave a link down below on where you can purchase this unit at, because it is such a gorgeous unit, especially for fall in the color. Okay, so let me know if I like this video. Give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, leave those down below. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel and make sure to check out this unit. Okay, thank you to Hurela-Hair for sending me out this unit to review, because baby, look at it. It's just giving volume. It's giving natural. It's giving its mind. My lip did not go with this hair, but other than that, the wig is fire. Okay, so I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.